Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning Point. This is Palak Jain and today we are going to study about interview and its various types. So guys, let's understand about interview. Interview is a purposeful two-way exchange of information between the participants. So each and every interview has got a purpose and it's a two-way exchange of information. There is an exchange of information from two ways between the participants. An interview is a conversation and it's a conversation between two people. And who are the two people? The interviewer and the interviewee. Where questions are asked by the interviewer, so interviewer asks the question to obtain information. Why he asks question? Because he wants information from interviewee. Interview is the oldest method of evaluating the person's potential for the job. So there are various kinds of interviews. They are preliminary interview, pattern or structured interview, unstructured interview, depth interview, stress interview, group interview, panel or board interview, formal interview, informal interview, video calling or telephonic interview, background check interview, walk-in interview, situational interview and indirect interview. So we'll discuss these interviews in detail. So first interview is formal interview. So it is a planned and well arranged interview and it is conducted in formal atmosphere. So it is conducted in a fixed venue, time and through a panel of interviewers, and question to be asked is decided in advance. So everything is fixed, planned and well arranged in this interview. Second is informal interview. So it is opposite of formal interview. So it is unplanned and unscheduled interview. So time is not fixed and it may take place anywhere. Venue and time is not fixed and questions are not prepared in advance. So it is just opposite of formal interview where nothing is fixed and everything is unplanned. Next is structured or patterned interview. So in this kind of interview there is a proper structure or pattern of a interview. So it is a fully planned interview and questions to be asked are already structured well in advance on the basis of job analysis. So this interview is a fully planned interview and questions which is to be asked is decided on the basis of job analysis. What is job analysis? It includes job description and job specification. So on the basis of that questions are decided. The time is also fixed and time which is to be allowed to the candidate is fixed in advance and information to be collected. The information which you want to collect from the candidate is also predefined. Next is stress interview. So by the name itself we can understand that such kind of interviews are conducted to find out candidates behavior in stressful situations. जब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कोई स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन आएगी तो वो कैसे बिहेव करेगा, तो उस बिहेवियर को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए स्ट्रेस इंटरव्यूज कंडक्ट करते हैं. सो द इंटरव्यूअर अज्यूम्स हॉस्टाइल बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स कैंडिडेट्स. सो हिज बिहेवियर इज हॉस्टाइल टुवर्ड्स candidate. He deliberately puts him on defensive by he tries to annoy. वो जो इंटरव्यूअर होता है वो कोशिश करता है इंटरव्यू को annoy करने के लिए, embarrass करता है, frustrate करता है. Usually the interviewer in such circumstances asks question rapidly and he asks question rapidly. He criticizes his answers, the interview's answers, and interrupts him frequently. वो बार बार जो भी आंसर देगा वो क्रिटिसाइज करेगा and he will interrupt him frequently. So he will try to annoy the candidate. The purpose is to find out whether the candidate loses his temper, gets confused or frightened in such situations. तो पर्पस क्या होता है कि कैंडिडेट का बिहेवियर चेक करना ऐसे सिचुएशंस में कि फ्यूचर में अगर हम कैंडिडेट को सिलेक्ट करेंगे और कुछ स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन वो अगर फेस करेगा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में तो उसका बिहेवियर उस टाइम पर क्या होगा, उसका टेम्पर कैसा होगा, वेदर ही विल गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड, ही विल गेट फ्राइटन. सो टू चेक ऑल दिस स्ट्रेस इंटरव्यूज आर कंडक्टेड. ग्रुप डिस्कशन इंटरव्यू. In this type of interview, group of individuals are interviewed rather than इंडिविजुअल। तो इस इंटरव्यू में क्या होता है, ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स दे आर इंटरव्यू रैदर दैन इंडिविजुअल। जो ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स होते हैं उनको एक टॉपिक दिया जाता है एंड दे आर गिवन स्पेसिफिक टाइम लिमिट एंड दे नीड टू रीच टू अ conclusion within that time limit. The applicants enter into group discussions knowing that interview is a test. The candidates are observed carefully as to who will lead the group, who is active and who is inactive, and who will dominate and who will keep silence. So, candidate is observed very carefully by the interviewer and he checks who is active, who is inactive, who will dominate and who will keep silence. Actions and reactions are also observed and potential candidate is selected. So all the actions, reactions, each and everything is observed and the candidate who is having the potential, who is the best, gets selected. Next is depth interview. So depth interview is conducted to test the candidate in depth knowledge in a special area of interest. तो candidate का knowledge in depth चेक करने के लिए, गहराई में, कि वो किसी कोई भी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट है उसको वहाँ कितना उसको नॉलेज है। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर हम किसी अकाउंटेंट की पोस्ट के लिए इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं तो हम कैंडिडेट से अकाउंटेंसी के जो भी क्वेश्चंस हैं तो वो इन डेप्थ में पूछेंगे, तो उस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में उसका नॉलेज कितना है, दैट विल चेक इन डेप्थ। एक्सपर्ट इन द कंसर्न एरिया ऑफ सब्जेक्ट आस्क द क्वेश्चन टू टेस्ट द कैंडिडेट्स कैपेसिटी in the concerned subject. So they ask question to check the candidate's capacity in the concerned subject. The idea of such an interview is to get a true picture of the interview by intensively examining his background and thinking so that correct evaluation decision may be made. So to take the correct decision and to evaluate correctly, such kinds of interview are conducted. Next is panel or board interview. So it is conducted by group of interviewers or a panel. So जो panel interview होता है या board interview होता है, so there is a group of interviewers. Panel of expert interview each candidate, judge each candidate's performance and prepare the list of candidate in the order of merit. So that panel of interviewer, they interview each and every candidate and they prepare the list on the basis of merit. अगर उन्होंने 10 candidates का interview लिया है तो top पे कौन रहा, bottom में कौन रहा, so they will prepare the list on the basis of merit. In this interview, group judgment is involved in selection of the candidates. तो इस इंटरव्यू में क्या ग्रुप जजमेंट इन्वॉल्व होता है, तो जो भी पैनल में जितने भी इंटरव्यूअर्स हैं, 9 हैं, 10 हैं, 5 हैं, 6 हैं, जो भी हैं, तो उनका एक ग्रुप जजमेंट होगा टू सिलेक्ट एनी कैंडिडेट। नेक्स्ट इज एग्जिट इंटरव्यू। सो एग्जिट इंटरव्यू इज कंडक्टेड फॉर दोज हु लीव और क्विट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तो किन के लिए कंडक्ट करते हैं, जो एम्प्लॉय जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को छोड़ रहे होते हैं, क्विट कर रहे होते हैं। द मेन पर्पज ऑफ कंडक्टिंग दिस इंटरव्यू इज टू नो द फीलिंग्स ऑफ आउटगोइंग एम्प्लॉय। तो क्यों करते हैं, टू नो द फीलिंग ऑफ आउटगोइंग एम्प्लॉय, क्यों छोड़ रहे हैं टुवर्ड्स द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वो क्या फील करते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को लेके, जो उनके फेलो वर्कर्स हैं, जो पॉलिसी हैं, रूल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड द मेनस्ट रीज़न ऑफ क्विटिंग द जॉब, वाई दे आर क्विटिंग द जॉब। कहीं हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में तो कोई कमी नहीं है, कहीं हम लैक तो नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो दे वॉन्ट टू नो द रीज़न वाई दे आर क्विटिंग द जॉब। Next is walk-in interview. In this, candidate appear for the interview directly without sending their applications in advance. तो इसमें candidate पहले से कोई application send नहीं करता, he just come to the venue and he submits his application. At the time of interview, candidates are asked to submit application and testimonials in support of their qualification. So he submits his application at the time of interview. Asked in the area of candidate specialization in accordance with job requirements. So questions are asked according to the candidate's specialization, और जो हमारा job requirement होता है उसके according हम question पूछते हैं। Situational interview. So in this interview, candidate is asked about his or her behavior in a given situation. तो इस इंटरव्यू में क्या करते हैं कि कोई एक सिचुएशन कैंडिडेट को देते हैं और उसका बिहेवियर पूछते हैं कि उस गिवन सिचुएशन में हाउ दैट कैंडिडेट विल बिहेव। फॉर For example, we can ask the candidate, if you will get selected for this position, then please explain how you will improve performance of subordinate. Non-directive interview. In this interview, the candidate is allowed to speak his mind freely. Whatever he wants, he can speak. The interviewer carefully listens to what the applicant expresses. So interviewer, he carefully listens that what he is expressing, what he is speaking. The applicant has full freedom of expression. Personality of the applicant is easily assessed by the management. Next is preliminary interview. So this interview is a shorting process. जब हम कैंडिडेट से उसके रिज्यूम्स, उसके CVs रिसीव करते हैं, टू शॉर्ट the eligible candidate, we conduct this preliminary interview. In this interview, applicants are given the necessary information about the nature of the job. So we provide necessary information about the nature of the job, and necessary information is elicited from the candidate about their education, experience, skills, present salary, expected salary, communication skills, etc. So we take the necessary information from the candidates about their education, their work experience, their skills, their present salary and expected salary, and it is conducted by the HR executives. Next is one-to-one interview. So in this interview, only the interviewer and the interview is present. So this interview is face-to-face interview. The interviewer tries to judge whether the candidate is fit for the vacant post. First impression, body language, dress and other non-verbal sign of the candidate is important in this interview. Next is telephonic or video interviews. So these interviews are done on phone. तो इनमें हम इंटरव्यू थ्रू टेलीफोन और थ्रू वीडियो कॉलिंग, इन सब के थ्रू हम इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट करते हैं. कैंडिडेट्स हु आर रिसाइडिंग फार अवे कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस थ्रू सच काइंड ऑफ इंटरव्यूज़. तो जो कैंडिडेट आ नहीं सकते हैं, जो बहुत दूर रह रहे हैं, जो काफ़ी सारे रीजंस होते हैं, सो दे कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस थ्रू सच काइंड ऑफ इंटरव्यूज़. Background check or reference check interview. So this interview is done by personnel department for checking the background of an employee. Candidates are asked to provide reference name at the time of filling application blank. तो candidate जब application blank fill करता है, at that time we ask 2 or 3 reference name. और वो कौन हो सकते हैं? They can be his previous employers, friends और प्रोफेशनल कोवर्कर्स. और उन सभी से हम एक कैंडिडेट की वर्किंग के बारे में एक फ्रैंक एंड ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन मांगते हैं. एंड इट इज़ व्हाई इट इज़ डन? इट इज़ डन टू फेच इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट कैंडिडेट्स कैरेक्टर, वर्किंग and social relation. So guys, I hope you will find my video helpful, and if you find it helpful, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel Learning Point. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Learning Point, and you can also leave a comment about my video. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.